this is Natasha. I'm a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes, and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. Welcome to part 2 of the fall berry branch tutorial. If you somehow missed out the first part, please find the link in the description where we learned how to crochet this berry. In this part, we are going to see the assembly of the berry, the finishing of each single berries and then combining them together to create this berry branch. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are fond of crocheting flowers, I have done a lot of different flower tutorials in the past. You can find a link to the entire playlist in the description. Do hop on to the playlist, check out the different flowers. You can crochet a number of different flowers in different colors and with different textured yarns, and then you can mix and match them to create your own customized bouquet. So in the previous tutorial we learned to crochet the berry. Now in this part we are going to see how to finish the individual berries and make the berry branch. So first let us finish the berry. So I am using this small 3-inch piece of wire. We are going to insert it at the base of the berry. This will make the stem for the individual berries. Insert it, hold it in a small U shape like this, and with the help of the wires, just press it to close the wire tightly. If you want, you can also twist the wire. So here now we have a stem to our berry. Now take the floral tape and we are just going to wrap the berry with the floral tape. So start right at the base of the berry. Pinch the tape tightly between your middle finger and your thumb and just start twisting it. Keep the tape slightly diagonal and keep wrapping till the end of the wire. If you're enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. So here the berry is ready for assembly. So for my branch, I am using a total of 7 berries. So I have already prepared the other 6 berries. You can also go ahead and prepare all the berries and then come back to the video to see the assembly. Now for the assembly, I'll be using the 1mm wire. The assembly will again be done only with the brown floral tape. So take the floral tape and we'll start with the berries one by one. So take the first berry and I'm going to start wrapping the floral tape from the top of the berry almost halfway, and then place the wire and start wrapping the floral tape on the wire as well as on the berry stem. Now for extra security, for the top berry I'm just going to snip off the floral tape and wrap it again to give it an additional protective layer. Now we are going to start adding the berries. So you are going to do it in alternate fashion. So place the second berry, leaving a small stem of the berry, and then just wrap it with the floral tape. Once done for about an inch, place the second berry. Now the first one is on the left hand side, the second one will go on the right side. I'm just going to do it in the alternate fashion. There is no set rule for doing this. You can arrange the berries in whichever arrangement you like. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making. Just keep wrapping, keep placing the berries and keep wrapping it. So once done with all the berries, just Keep on wrapping the wire till the end. We want the entire stem of the berries to be covered with the floral tape. So keep wrapping. Once you reach the end, just snip off the tape. Now shape the berries a little. I'll just open them up slightly. There you go. So your berry stem is ready. You can make the berries in as many colors and as many stems as you want. And then you can combine these with other different fall leaves or other fall flowers. And then do a nice fall autumn bouquet for yourself. You can do these in black and orange color, and you can use these for decorating for Halloween. It will create a perfect Halloween home decor for you. So you just need to change the colors to change for whichever occasion you are using the berries. These make perfect fillers for bouquets, or you can make many such branches in different colors or in the same color and use it independently as a bouquet in itself. You can wrap it in paper if you want to gift it to someone. This is a quick project and works very quickly. So this is perfect for last minute gift for housewarming. So this is all. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Again, a reminder, if you are fond of crocheting flowers, I have done a lot of different flower tutorials in the past. You can check the link to the entire playlist in the description. I've done flowers like roses, hydrangeas, sunflowers, poppies and such. You can create different flowers and then mix and match them to create your own bouquet. These would make perfect wedding bouquets for yourself. So this is all from my side today. If you enjoyed, if you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help. So thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye bye.